Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I'm Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in eTuition, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to solve problems from exercise 7.1 of your chapter 7, that is cubes and cube root, from your NCERT book. Gentle reminder again. So on 8th of October, you are going to have your monthly test for the month of September. So hope all of you are ready for that. All the best for that and keep practicing. So let us start today's class. So this is question number 1 from your exercise 7.1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Right? So what you are going to do for that? So in order to find out whether the number is a perfect cube or not, what you need to do is you have to go for prime factorization. So let us find out the factors of 216 divided by 2, 108 divided by 2, 54 divided by 2, 27 divided by 3, you have 9 divided by 3, you have 3. So 216 is nothing but equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now what you have to do? You have to form a set of 3. Okay, so you check for 2. How many 2's you have? You have 3 2's. So you could form one set. How many 3's you have? So you have 3 3's. So you could form the set of 3 for the factor 3 also. So 216 is nothing but equal to 2 cube into 3 cube, that is 6 cube. Okay, so 216 is a perfect cube, right? 216 is perfect cube. Now let us do bit 2, that is 128. Let us find out the prime factors of 8. Divided by 2, you get 64. Divided by 2, you get 32. Divided by 2, you get 16. Divided by 2, you get 8. Divided by 2, you get 4. Divided by 2, you get 2. Right? So 128 is nothing but equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Right? Now, how many 2's you have here? So you have 7 2's. Let us form a set of 3. So here one set and second set. So now you are having one extra 2 which cannot be included to form a set of 3. Correct or not? So 128 is not a perfect cube, is not a perfect cube. Correct or not? Now, bit 3. So, you have 1000 here. So, divided by 2, 500. Divided by 2, 250. Divided by 2, 125. Then 5, you get 25. Then 5, you get 5. So let us write down now the prime factors of 1000, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now let us form the set of 3 or triplets. So now you could form the triplets, that is 2 cube into 5 cube, and it is cube of 10. So 1000 is a perfect cube, right? 1000 is perfect cube, right? So now let us go to bit 4 and bit 5. So bit 4 you have 100. Let us find out the prime factors of it. Divided by 2, 50. Divided by 2, you get 25. Divided by 5, you get 5. So 100 is nothing but equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So none of the prime factors can form a set of 3. So there is no triplets available here. So clearly you can tell that 100 is not a perfect cube. 100 is not a perfect cube. Correct? Now let us go to the last bit, that is bit 5. So what is your number? You have 46,656. So let us find out the prime factors of it. So divided by 2 you get 23328. Divided by 2 you get 11664. Divided by 2 you get 5832. Divided by 2 you get 2916. Divided by 2 you get 1458. Divided by 2 you get 729. Divided by 3 you get 243. Divided by 3 you get 81. Divided by 3 you get 27. Divided by 3 you get 9. Divided by 3 you get 3. So let us write down the prime factors here, that is 46656 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Just check whether you have included all the prime factors or not. So how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have written 6 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are also 6 2's. So let us check whether we have written 6 2's or not. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So now what next? You have to form the set of 3. So you can see you can form the set of 3 for all the factors that is available. So that is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. So it is 46656 is nothing but equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 whole cube. Right? So that is equal to 4 into 9 and it is 36 cube. So clearly you can mention that 46,656 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next question. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, so you have to find out the number to be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So in order to find out that number, first what you have to do is you have to find out the prime factors of 243, right? So 243 divided by 3, you get 81, divided by 3, you get 27, divided by 3, you get 9, divided by 3, you get 3. So 243 is nothing but equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you could form the pair of 3, one triplet of 3. So other triplet you couldn't form because there is 1 3 less in that set. Right? So what you need to multiply? So you can just write down as there is 1 less number of 3, hence 243 is not a perfect cube. If 3 will be multiplied, then the number we get will be a perfect cube, right? If 3 will be multiplied, the number will be a perfect cube. Correct, children? So this is how you will find out the number to be multiplied. Now let us go to the bit 2, that is 256. So let us find out the prime factors. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4 and 2. So let us write down the prime factors. 2 into 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 2. Let us form the set of 3. So you could form set of 3 set of 3 taking 6 twos together, but there is one less 2 to form another set of 2. So same thing, as there is one less number of 2, 256 is not a perfect cube. Hence, the number to be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube is 2. Okay. So hence the number to be multiplied is 2. Then only you will get a number which is a perfect cube. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next bit. Bit 3. What is the number you have? You have number 72. So again let us find out the prime factors of 72. So 2 you get 18, 2 you get 9, 3 you get 3. So 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Let us form the set of 3. So as you can see, there is 1 3 less to form a set of 3. Hence the number that must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube is, how many threes you want? You want 1 3, right? Is 3. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next bit, that is 675. Okay. So divided by 5 you get 135. Divided by 5 you get 27. 3 you get 9, 3 you get 3. So 675 is nothing but equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Form the set of 3. So as you can see, there is one 5 place to form a set of 3 numbers in case of factor 5. Hence the number you have now is not a perfect cube. In order to obtain the perfect cube, the number to be multiplied is 5. Hence the number to be multiplied is multiplied to obtain a perfect cube is 5. Correct, children? Oh, now let us go to the next bit, that is bit 5. So you have 100, 2 divided by 2, you get 25, 5, then 5, right? So 100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5.5, right? So both the prime factor doesn't have set of 3. So what you should multiply then? So here you need one more 2 to make to form a set of 3 for factor 2. Similarly, you want one more 5 to form a set of 5, right? So the number to be multiplied is hence the number that must be that must be multiplied to obtain perfect cube is 2 into 5, that is 10. So 10 should be multiplied to 100 to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, children, you have understood? Okay, so now let us go to the next question. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Again, you have to find out the same. You have to first find out the prime factors of the given numbers. Then, whatever the extra now, that you have to omit, that you have to divide. So, there, while finding out the number to be multiplied, you have to check what was lagging, what was less, that you have to multiply. Here what is extra, that has to be divided. Okay, so let us find out the factors. So 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So you just check, you have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. You formed a set of 3, and what is extra? This 3. So this 3 has to be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So, the number 3 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Correct? So, now let us go to the next bit. Again, you have to find out the prime factors of 128. Right? So, what you are getting is, so your 128 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is extra here? You have extra 2. So that has to be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So the number 2 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. To obtain a perfect cube. Right? Now let us go to the next page. So you have number 135. So divided by 5, you get 27. Divided by 3, 9, 3, 3. So 135 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. You could form a set of 3, but 5 is extra. So this 5 has to be divided. Hence, 5 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Correct? So now let us go to the next bit, that is 192. First find out the prime factors. So divided by 2, you have 96. Divided by 2, 42. 2, 24. 2, you got 12. 2, you got 6. 2, you got 3, right? So what is 192 in terms of its prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now form the set of 3. So what is extra now? 3 is extra. Hence, 3 must be divided. Hence, 3 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Correct or not? Yeah. So now we are left with only one more, that is bit 5. Right. So here I am doing bit 5. So let us find out the factors of 704. So divided by 2, you get 352. Right. Divided by 2, you get 176. Divided by 2, you get 88. Divided by 2, you get 44. Divided by 2, you get 22. Divided by 2, you get 11. Right? You get 11. Right? So what is 704 then? So 704 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Now let us form the set of 3. So this all the 2's are forming set. What is extra? 11 is extra. Hence 11 must be divided 11 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Correct? To obtain perfect cube. So again I am just telling you in brief, when the number, you have to find out that which number has to be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So you are trying to add the factors to form a set of 3. Okay, you are trying to add, and you are trying to find out the number. So what is not there, that you are going to find out, but here the extra thing you have to omit it. So the extra thing has to be divided. Okay, in case of the number to be divided to obtain a perfect cube, you have to just omit the extra thing. Okay children, hope you have understood. Okay, so now let us go to the last question of the exercise. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? So let us write down. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 into 2 into 5. Right? So that is equal to 50 centimeter cube. Right? So this is the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Now you have to find out how many such cuboids will he need to form a cube. Now you just look at the prime factors of 50. What are the prime factors? Already it is written. If you want to reconfirm, you can find out the prime factors. That is 25, 5 into 5. Right? So now you see 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. Now you check how many numbers or how many factors are less to form a set of 3. So what should be multiplied so that 50 can be converted to a perfect cube? So you just write out, in order to obtain a perfect cube, we need to multiply what? We need to multiply 2 2's and 1 5. We need to multiply 2 into 2 into 5. That is 20. That is 20. So we need to multiply 20. So if you multiply 20, so you can just check. So you have 50 into 20. So here what you are going to multiply? 2 into 2 into 5. So previously what you had? You had 2 into 5 into 5. So now you have multiplied extra 2's, right? And you have multiplied 1 extra 5, right? So now you could form the set of 3 for both the factors, right or not? So you have 2 cube into 5 cube, right? So that is equal to 10 cube. So now you could form a cuboid, right? You could form a cuboid of side 10. Previously 50 was not a perfect cube, correct? 50 is not a perfect cube. So what you need to multiply to make it a perfect cube number? So you need to multiply 20, that is 2 into 2 into 5. Hence, how many such cuboids you will need? So he needs how many cuboids? He needs 20 cuboids. He needs 20 cuboids to form a cube. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Okay. Uh, Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have liked this video. Please share and subscribe our channel. Follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to download the eTuition app. And please do practice for your test which is going to happen on 8th of October. Keep practicing and all the best for your exam.